Hey, good morning. We have gone to Subway. Surprised. I was surprised a little bit. But we are going to try this new jalapeno bread that they have. Um, it's got jalapenos on it and some kind of spicy something or other. I don't know. But this is the steak and cheese. They have two. They have a chicken one, like a chicken nacho thing. I don't know. Steak nacho or spicy nacho steak sub. Learn how to talk. Um, uh, the ghost pepper bread. Shaved steak, pepper jack cheese, green peppers, onions, cheddar cheese, creamy sriracha. I put roasted garlic aioli on there, and that's it. And it was $14.39 for this foot-long sub. It also comes in a half sub. You can get for $7, I believe. See that? Totally goes against what I was trying to do. All right, whatever. We're just gonna get into. There's two. I guess they're jalapenos. I don't know. And it looks kind of plain to me. Jalapenos falling off. It looks really plain. Jalapenos got some heat. And they're not pickled jalapenos either. They're fresh jalapenos. So it's got some heat. And for me, a jalapeno is heat. But we'll go ahead and bite into this and see how. Supposedly Subway has improved their stuff. I don't know. We will find out now, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. So far, it just tastes like bread. I don't really taste any spice. Probably shouldn't have eaten that jalapeno. Because, that's all I taste right now is the spice from the jalapeno. Unless that's a ghost pepper on top, but I don't know many green ghost peppers. I guess they're green at one point. And I did not get anything else. So this is it. I didn't get any chips. I could have, but still, a foot-long sub for $14 and a half. That's a little pricey. Whatever happened to the $5 foot-long? All right. It's not bad. Oh, it's got crunchy things in it too. SubKrunch. I don't know what that is. But it's got little crunchy things in it. They're probably like crispy onions, I think. Maybe, I don't know. And then I don't know what the you know, all the wrinkles and stuff. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I have no idea. Maybe it's just the bread. I don't know. But I mean, it's not as bad as their cheesesteaks used to be. It needs more cheese, I think. But otherwise, I mean, it's not terrible. Would I order it again? No, probably not. Yeah, this doesn't wow me. So, yeah, they're not going to get any more business for me. You know, I mean, like once or twice a year I'll do Subway maybe, but they just don't have it. It doesn't hit for me, you know. There's an awful lot of bread. Onions are still crunchy, but they're definitely not raw until they've been cooked a little bit. I mean, it's an okay sub, I guess. For $14, no. Because like I see, I mean, do you see any cheese in there? I mean, it's got the sriracha aioli, the green peppers, onions. Yeah, I don't see any tomatoes. But like I said, it's not terrible, but it's still not good enough for me. I mean, I'll finish this. You know, I'll have this for lunch and I'll have that for dinner. But yeah, Subway didn't really get that much better at all. All right. So go check out the new ghost pepper bread from Subway if you would like. They have a spicy nacho chicken sub and a spicy nacho steak sub. I got the steak. It was okay. Somebody else I watched, they got the chicken. They said they really liked the chicken. I like the steak. It's okay. I mean, but it's, you know, it's steak-um meat. That is all it is. It's steak-um meat. But it's not bad. Acceptable. Maybe go with a half. I don't know, because $14 some is a lot for a sub. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I have lots of things to do, so I'm knocking out an early video. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace out. Bye.